Hey, I think Sebastian was choking on something and I'm like panicking. It's like he's having soup and I feel like he's turning blue and I don't know what to do.
Okay, he's choking. Okay.
I don't know if like a piece of chicken got stuck.
It's okay. Oh, no, it's okay. No, it's okay.
I don't know what to do. You okay?
Okay? Is that all of it? You got more? You got more from Gary? Huh? You got scared?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Just literally throw up all over his pants.
It's okay. No problem. You okay? Feel better? Is there more? Is there more?
You okay?
You're scared. It's okay. I got you. I got you, bro. I got you.
Chicken must not have
I got you, man.
ended
Come
up.
here anytime, okay? It's cool.
Sorry.
No, don't worry about it. Does it feel better? You can breathe? He's good now, right?
Jesus.
I'm glad you came over.
Sorry.
Oh, no, it's cool. What are you sorry about?
I literally didn't know what to do. I've never choked before.
I hope I didn't scare you.
Okay.
I hope I didn't scare you.
No, it's
Let me get you a
okay
wipe?
now. No, I'll go clean up at home.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
What are you sorry about?
I
Are
don't
you
know.
kidding me?
It's like,
I'm gonna be Gio's fucking hero, man.
we could dislodge this from Sebastian.
I'm gonna be his hero now for sure. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry, man. I hope I didn't scare you, okay?
No, I
You
think
come by anytime you need
more
anything.
so scared.
You know, I'm fully trained in CPR, so
Well, thank God.
yeah,
Sorry. Thank you.
yeah, no problem.
I'm gonna go get cleaned up. Sorry about the soup.